7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
All right, hello everybody. Today we are going to take a look at how to add sound into our Scratch game here, and how to get it from Soundtrap into Scratch. So you can see on my screen here, this may not look exactly like what your game looks like. This is just one example, but it should be relatively the same for everybody's here. So I have my project opened, and I'm on the first Scratch sprite here. If you only have one Scratch sprite, do that one. And I'm going to come over to my Soundtrap page where I've created whatever this thing is. Remember, if you're behind on this, remember you were trying to use the music to inform the gameplay. So if you wanted the gameplay to seem happy and fun, you would make happy and fun music. If you wanted to make it seem like Scratch the Murder Cat, you would make a different type of music. So I've made this thing, which has no relation to anything, but whatever, we'll just deal with it for now. So you're going to click download. Now as you can see, mine popped up down there. Yours is going to be somewhere over here popping up. Okay, letting you know that this thing has finished downloading. Once it is downloaded, you can come back over to your Scratch page and click on the Sounds tab. Okay, right here, Sounds. That's the one you need. Once you click on Sounds, you'll see the meow. You probably won't see anything else unless you've been playing with this. But you're going to come down here, hover over this one, don't click it. If you click it, it's going to go to a different page than what we want. We just want to hover. Once you hover, this menu will pop up, and you click Upload Sound. You can't see what I'm doing here, but I'm basically just, or I think you might be able to see this, I'm basically just selecting my untitled song file that I just downloaded, opening it, and here it is. Okay, now that I have that, I can come back to our code blocks, and I find the sound, and I have the play sound until done. That's the one I want. So we're going to hear the whole song. Now, there's a few different spots we could theoretically put this. But we can talk through each of these. If we were to put it here, what would happen? We would press the space key, reset the timer, and then play the song until it's done, and then our game would start. So that one's not going to work. Okay? If instead we placed it maybe down here, so after the cats start moving, then we play the sound. If we talk through that one, when space key, reset timer, start the game, point towards, move, play sound, and then we're stuck here again until the song is over, and then we repeat, and then we move, and then we're stuck here again until the song is over. So that one won't work either. We could put it underneath the repeat, but as I'm sure you can figure out from this, we would play our game, and we'd play our game, and we'd play our game, and we'd play, and then the song would play. And that's not what we want either. The easiest way, and probably the cheesiest way to do this, is to just add another event that has the exact same trigger. So we have when space key pressed for this event, we're just going to grab another when space key pressed. All right, we are going to put that play sound under that when space key pressed. Now if I do that, and when they touch, everything stops because we've got a stop all down here. If yours doesn't stop, it eventually will. It's not a huge deal if it doesn't stop. Not everybody went so far as to needing a stop all when we were working on this. Okay? For those of you that wrote really short pieces of music, you're going to want to make sure that this song keeps playing on a loop until the game is done. All right? So you're going to want our forever block onto that play sound until done. So when we press the space key, our game will start right over here. We'll keep going through this, and we will start playing the sound until it's done forever. Okay? Please make sure that you choose the play sound until done and not the start sound. Let me show you what it would sound like if I did the start sound. Okay. That doesn't sound good because forever it's attempting to start the sound but never letting it actually play through. So we want play sound until done. All right, at this point I have my project, I have the audio into it. I need you to do a couple things. First off, if you haven't done it already, find your email where you confirm your Scratch account. Make sure that that is done and that you have confirmed it. Otherwise, you will not be able to do the next step. I will say that again. If you don't confirm your account, you won't be able to do the next step. Once you have confirmed the account, you will click the share button at the top. It's nice and orange. Okay, it says it's shared. Click See Project Page. Come on. The See Project page should bring you to this page, and you should be able to copy link, and then come over to Classroom and submit that link to the assignment. Okay? I don't want anything else besides that link that is shared from a confirmed account. All right? Good luck. Send me an email if you're having huge troubles. If you're having tiny troubles, watch this video again. Have fun.